As you can see behind me, the paint is done, which means all the joint in the house or in the first floor all done as well. So as you can see, it's all white, simply because this house has been very dark for so long that I wanted it to be different, you know, being really clear, and with the lighting in the living room, which there was no light before, it's crazy clear. Obviously when I will live in it, I will not turn on all these lights at the same time, simply because there's no need. But if I have a party or anything like that, I will have all the lighting I need or I want in the house, really. So today I will clean the floor. There's some spot of mud, of plaster that I could not scrape, simply because we step on it so many times that it's stuck very hard on the plywood. So I will sand these spots, do another vacuum everywhere on the floor. After that, I will start installing the laminated floor. As you can see, I have plenty of boxes everywhere in the house. I have some there, some on the other side. I have some on the bathroom. I didn't put everything in the same spot, simply because it's so heavy that it's dangerous to break the floor here, really, because there's hundreds of pounds of these things. So now, for starting the day, I will just clear and clean all the floor. So stay tuned. There you go, guys. The cleanup is done. We had some touch up to do on this wall, so because of that, still have another coat of paint to do on it. But as you can see, we've started to install the laminated floor. Some boxes already open, ready to install. So stay tuned for the next update. This is it, guys. The floor is complete. We just finished. It's about 5 p.m. on Sunday night, so we're very tired. It's a big mess everywhere, so I will let it like that for tonight because I'm tired. I will come back this week on an evening to clean everything up. But for now, what I will do is count all the baseboard that I need and the molding around the doors, so I can go and buy these this week and start painting them and getting ready to install all of it next weekend. So stay tuned. Okay guys, the floor is complete. The baseboard and the molding are almost complete everywhere. As you can see here, I went this morning to buy a door because I need to replace that door. I will take a door a little thinner so it fit better with the thermostat. But since we're out of power in the area, pretty much everywhere in Gatineau actually, they were closed, so I haven't been able to buy a door. So this is the reason why I can finish the molding here. So I'm in the waiting process here, but as you can see, the baseboard are done. The molding is done around the bathroom door, and the baseboard and the heaters are installed as well, or the baseboard heater are done. So the baseboard, molding, baseboard, all everywhere are done. And as you can see in that corner, I'm in the process of installing my Ethernet connection. I will have two here. I have two there already installed, two there where will be my PC desk. And behind the TV I have two as well, and I know I have a little defect on the left side of that plate. I will fix it. I still have like molding to install on the bottom of the door here, as well as the patio door. I will work on that very soon, but the thing is I don't have the hardware, not the hardware but the material to do that at the moment. But this was an update on where I am at the floor and the baseboard. So basically there's only this door to replace, the bottom of the patio door and the front door, as well as the bullnose here. I will probably do that this afternoon. It's a good looking bullnose. It's made from aluminum, but I need to rip it in the middle for about almost 8 feet long, so it will be not hard to do. But since it's not straight, as you can see here, it's not straight, I cannot just put that on the table and rip it in the middle. I need to do it with a grinder at an angle, so it will be a slow process because obviously I want it to be done the right way, correctly and straight. So yeah, I will jump on that this afternoon, but at least after that the floor will be completely done, and I can't wait to forget about this step because it's driving me crazy, like for half a year now, maybe a year actually, because I've started this project like in April 2021 and we're now in May 2022, and I expect to move in pretty soon, even if everything will not be completely done, but as soon as I will live in here, it will be easier for me to work on weeknights, because at the moment I live a little bit too far from here to come in here and work on weeknights. So when I will move in, I will be able to do a little work every day, and it will move forward a little bit faster. So this was the update on the floor. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye. So this was the update on the floor. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe.